Welcome to our channel. Today we how to create a new Payoneer account step by step clearly. Open your web browser and go to the official Payoneer website at payoneer.com. Click the sign up or register button on the homepage. Choose the account type that matches you, such as individual or company. Select your country or region from the drop-down list. Type your first name and last name exactly as they appear on your official ID. Enter a valid email address that you can access right now. Create a strong password with a mix of letters, numbers, and symbols. Pick a security question and write an answer you will remember. Click Next to continue to the contact details page. Enter your full street address and make sure it matches your proof of address if possible. Type your city, state or province, and your postal or zip code. Add your phone number with the correct country code. Double-check every detail for spelling mistakes before moving on. Click Next to go to the Identity Details section. Choose your date of birth from the calendar fields. Select your nationality and your ID type, such as passport or national ID. Enter your ID number carefully and avoid extra spaces. If asked, enter your tax identification number based on your country's requirement. Click Next to set up your receiving account details. Choose how you want to get paid, such as bank transfer to your local bank account. Type your bank account holder name exactly as it appears on your bank records. Enter your bank name and select the bank country. Fill in your bank account number or IBAN, depending on your location. Add SWIFT or BIC code if the form requests it for international transfers. Review the terms and conditions and make sure you understand the fees and services. Tick the checkbox to accept Payoneer's terms and privacy policy. Click Submit or Finish to send your application. Check your email inbox and open the Payoneer verification email. Then click the confirmation link. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.